Katie. I've got some style tips for you today. I'm going to talk you through what I'm wearing to work and sprinkle in some little style tips to hopefully encourage and inspire you to try something new with your wardrobe. So I've got this dress on. Now you'll notice that this dress length is a midi length. So midi lengths are really, really flattering on the leg. The reason being is because they fall just above the ankle, which is the most slender part of our leg. It's a length that looks really flattering. Do have a look at midi lengths. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So, on my feet, these shoes. Now, these look quite they've got a toughness to them, but I've put them with this dress because I feel that when you put kind of a tougher, more edgier item with something quite pretty and feminine, the two play off each other really, really nicely. So it's a bit like when you see people wearing like a beautiful maxi dress with a really cool fitted biker jacket. It's that in play. If you're not confident in wearing red lipstick, I'm wearing today a red lipstick that's in my store. It's genius because you will put it on and it will adjust to your skin tone. So that in itself will help give you the confidence that you're wearing the right shade of red. If you feel you need a bit more confidence to wear a big chunky earring, then wear your hair down and just let them peep through. But I think it's lovely to experiment with colour in your lipstick, in your accessories, in your shoes, in your clothes. And if you haven't worn colour in a long while, please give it a try today, tomorrow, because when we see colour, it makes us feel happy and makes others feel happy too. If you're not confident, wear colour around the house and then wear it out and it won't be a big deal. I hope these tips have helped you today and I shall see you again soon with some more of my style tips. Lots of love, bye!